Hello, welcome. So we'll step into what CSS Grid has been built for. It was built for, of course, like taking over and replacing Flexbox in many ways and improving on Flexbox. Therefore, we have a lot of similarities, but now it like goes far outside those similarities and is talking about control things both vertically and horizontally in ways that Flexbox could never dream to do. We are getting closer to do that. Of course, I could do the same things in Flexbox, but if I am to do the same things in Flexbox as I do in CSS Grid, I also have to introduce a lot of more elements. I have to group things and such. I have to change my HTML to actually do the same things as CSS Grid can do, and just out of the box. So what's going on here? I have the same up here as I have always had, and these two values, you've seen them before, but I've never seen them together. So we have the 1FR over here, which is what I did to specify the width of the columns, and then I have this, which is I used to specify the height of the rows. Now, I also have something down here to specify that the rows should be smaller. They could be larger as well. I'm going to keep them as 10, so we have the same. Everything is looking very neat and dandy. We can also now say that the grid column should span 2 and the grid row should span 2. So what's going on? What does this mean? So we said that columns, we have 4 columns, and we have 4 rows, 10 members each, and whenever those are, there are more rows to have, we get 10 rows per extra row. So basically you can see all of those down here. So what really is going on? Why are the 1 up here taking up all that space? In fact, I want to just to play around a little bit. I want to place that 1 in the middle. So I'm going to place items center. Place content center. Wait a sec. So there you go. Place content center in this case. There are 2 different things, but you'll see that they are perfectly easy to use in different aspects. Right now, so we have place content center, and it's there in the middle. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there in the model. So this one is taking up 2 columns. You see here it's going from the first column up here into the second column, and it's taking up 2 rows. Goes to the first row to the second row. So I'm spanning 2 columns, spanning 2 rows. I stretch over. I range over 2. However you want to put it. That is what it means in this case. I move this place center a bit, and I think that that's it for this video. Next one we'll talk about a bit more about how to work with grid and gap and stuff like that. Soon we'll get into grid area.